amazing. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey friends, it's Justo. I'm actually the president and CEO of Buildworth Strategies. Actually, we were able to go ahead and sponsor a golfing tournament, as a matter of fact, in Kissimmee, Florida. The proceedings for that sponsorship actually went to Circle of Hope Cancer Research. And as a matter of fact, it also went to Osceola County Pantry Food, which at the end, I think it's really important and imperative for us to literally just to give back to the community. It's its citizens that actually help us to continue. It gives us the motivation to, not only grow our organization, but at the same time, it's important for us to really just come together and give back. Nevertheless, we also do other donations on a month-to-month basis here in Miami-Dade County, such as the Miami-Dade Fire Department and also Miami-Dade Police Department. And we also love to go ahead and give back to the kids, such as St. Jude's and also Shriners Hospital. Thank you so much for the love and support. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Behind the security gate. Awesome. As soon as you get behind the security yeah. Chris, give him one. Let's try one of these.
I'll let you guys shoot first. I feel bad for you guys. Yeah. Always helps you put the round in the chamber. Woo! Oh, that's a good one.
Where'd it go?
Damn, I see it.
It actually curved to the right.
Yeah.
You killed the bird.
Right by the sand trap.
The bird, son. That's amazing. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, no problem.
It's like air pressure?
Like concussion from
It's gunpowder, and it's all it is just the pressure from this coming out of there, knocking the golf ball that direction.
Wow.
Let's take this, stuff it down there, make sure you have, you're loaded up.
Great.
Come on up.
I
I'll put you.
I think you put one in there.
Yeah, I put one in so far.
Okay.
There you go. Aim to the left because we got a little bit of a breeze that's pushing you to the right.
Good? Like this? Over here? Or
Yeah,
what?
that's no, a little bit to your right. That's good. Flip from safe to semi. Little switch down. There you go.
You guys got me on video?
I got you on video.
My wife is gonna
Go ahead,
love
Chris.
it. Oh,
That
look
one
at
curved
that.
left.
That's amazing. Look at that thing.
And it's gonna be. We're gonna push you right there. A little bit further. Drop the barrel down a little bit. Right there. Flip that down. A little more. There you go. Now you're ready.
Nice.
I curve a little to the left. James.
Nice to meet you, James.
Nice to meet you.
Justo, a pleasure. Thank you so
Nice to
much
meet you.
for allowing
You guys
us
have
to
a
do
great
that.
time.
Thank you so much.
Right?
No, we don't have a card reader over there, so.
Yeah, man, that would be pretty.
No problem.
that would
If
be
you
pretty
want to
dope.
catch up and you want to give them $5 at the end,
Oh yeah,
more
for
than
sure.
welcome.
Definitely, yes.
No problem. It's
The
just for a good
sheriff's
cause.
office, right?
Yep, Osceola County Sheriff's
I got you,
Office.
brother.
Nice little tool to raise money for good causes.
I'm recording it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, awesome. Thanks a lot.
No problem. You
Thanks,
guys have a
man.
great time.
You too.
Enjoy.
Appreciate
and
it.
enjoy what is it, barbecue later?
Yeah.
Awesome. Have a good one, guys.
Thank you so much. Happy Gilmore. I made one. I did it all the way from the top, bro. All right.
Everybody's gonna see this on YouTube and stuff. Oh.